5 things you should not do during your menstrual period. During our menstrual cycle we can suffer some disorders that are heavier these days. To avoid suffering from these symptoms, some remedies must be taken into account. Tips during menstruation. 1. Do not alter your pace of life during these days. Stress is an enemy in menstruation, and to avoid it are very effective methods of relaxation. Also, do not avoid exercise that can act as relaxing because of the ability to produce endorphins. 2. Cold is a bad companion. Hot or warm baths are best advised to reduce pain, or to apply heat to the part of the abdomen. 3. Do not take aspirin. Acetylsalicylic acid has an anticoagulant effect, and this will cause bleeding more abundant than usual. For menstrual cramps you can use drugs like ibuprofen without abusing them. 4. Avoid junk food. A healthy and balanced diet will help you reduce discomfort, as opposed to fats and sugars. Calcium, fruits and vegetables are highly recommended in menstruation. 5. No to bad habits. Carbonated drinks and caffeine, alcohol and tobacco are habits that you should avoid to avoid the pain that occurs during these days. It is recommended to drink lots of water to avoid holding liquids and feet.